arousing good cells again. And suddenly, satisfaction of material ones replaces.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And what I did after the previous show showing this radio, and I had that little audio distortion, I reached in the back to the tubes I could reach, and I gave them a little jiggle in case there was a contact problem causing that audio distortion. And that was the problem. Plus, now I'm getting more stations coming in. Now that could be because band conditions have changed. And I apologize, I'm hand holding my webcam here just to do this quick video. But let me go back to the radio very carefully. Hope you're not getting seasick.
In the midst of the hall and were sat down together, Peter sat down.
Now the audio is loud and clear. It's a little distorted now due to this cheap old speaker I'm using. It's a little muffled. So I don't think it's a radio. I don't really, maybe I have a speaker that would match this, an actual 8-ohm speaker. These newer speakers that come with boom boxes and stuff I don't think they're 8 ohms. And they're not that good anyway. So I just want to show you that by jiggling those very carefully, those tubes, and I didn't get to all of them. I got to like 4 of them. Don't know exactly which ones they were as far as the tube number. But the stations now are coming in stronger. There's more of them. And the audio distortion, except for the speaker distortion, is gone. So it's just a matter of cleaning the radio. In this case, just kind of jiggling the tubes. Like I said before, I really need to take the chassis off of this, take the cover off this, and pull the tubes out and clean them, and then put them back in the socket. That's it. That's the update. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hold on, we're going for a ride here. Ooh.